the group Pink Ratchets. This is my first cover song. Please show love and subscribe to our channel where you come to this online recording thing. I'm gonna cover Sunshine Anderson's Heard It All Before. Come home late, it seems you barely beat the sun. Tapping my shoulder, thinking you gon' get you some. Smelling like some fragrance that I don't even wear. So if you want some loving, I suggest you go back there where you came from. Day to day with you, it's always something else working my nerve. God knows that I don't deserve what you put me through, 'cause I've been so true to you for you to come at me with another lame excuse. See, I heard it all before. All of your lies, all of your sweet talk, baby this, baby that, but your lies ain't working now. Look who's hurting now. See, I had to shut you down. I had to shut you down. What were you thinking? Bringing her into our home. In our bed, you must have fell and bumped your head, messing up my sheets and violating me. Have me about to call my peeps and take it to the streets. There's nothing you can do, and there's nothing you can say that can persuade me to stay with you another day. You have crossed the line to the point of no return. What you do from here on out, I am no longer concerned. See, I